London is a city of dreams, but for many, it's becoming a financial nightmare. Have you ever noticed that even after getting a promotion or a raise, your bank balance at the end of the month looks exactly the same? You aren't alone. In 2024, the average cost of living in London for a single person has soared. Between the greedflation at supermarkets and rent prices that feel like a second mortgage, saving money in this city has become an extreme sport. Most people fail to save not because they are lazy, but because they are playing a rigged game. They are trading 40 hours of their life every week for a fixed salary that the city's economy swallows whole. But what if I told you that while the cost of living is rising, the cost of starting a business has dropped to almost zero? Thanks to artificial intelligence, the barrier between you and a six-figure side income has vanished. Today, I'm going to show you 3 AI side hustles that are currently replacing full-time jobs for people right here in the UK. We aren't talking about get-rich-quick schemes, we are talking about high-value digital services. Before we dive into the how, we must understand the why. Why is it that a £40k or £50k salary, which used to be rich, now feels like just getting by? First, let's talk about the London tax. Everything from your morning flat white to your Zone 1 to 2 travel card is designed to extract wealth. But the real killer is single-stream dependency. If your job is your only source of income, you are one restructuring meeting away from financial ruin. Most people try to save by cutting out coffee or Netflix. That's defensive thinking. To survive London, you need to play offense. You need leverage. In the industrial age, leverage was machines. In the internet age, leverage was code. In 2024, leverage is AI. AI allows you to produce the output of a 10-person team while you're sitting in a coffee shop in Shoreditch or your flat in Canary Wharf. The first hustle is AI content localization. There are thousands of successful YouTubers and companies in the UK who are sitting on a goldmine of English content. But they are missing out on 80% of the world because they only speak one language. In the past, dubbing a 10-minute video into Spanish, French, or Hindi would cost £2,000 and take weeks. Now, you can do it for £20 in 10 minutes using tools like 11 Labs and HeyGen. How to monetize this? You don't sell translation. You sell global reach. You approach UK creators or businesses and say, I will take your existing videos, use AI to clone your voice in 5 different languages, and manage your international channels for a 30% revenue share. Imagine managing 5 channels that each make just £500 a month in ad revenue. That's £2,500 completely automated. You've just paid your London rent by clicking a few buttons and managing a process. The second hustle is the most profitable for those who like the professional world. B2B, lead general. Every business in London, from real estate agencies in Mayfair to tech startups in Old Street, has one common problem. They need more customers. Most businesses are terrible at cold outreach. They send boring, generic emails that go straight to spam. The AI solution. Using tools like Clay or Instantly.ai combined with ChatGPT, you can scrape data of potential clients and write highly personalized icebreakers. Instead of a business owner sending 10 emails a day, you can help them send 1,000 personalized emails that mention the prospect's latest LinkedIn post or their specific business challenges. You can charge a performance fee or a monthly retainer of £1,500 per client. Just 2 clients, and you are earning more than many mid-level corporate managers in the city. Finally, the high-ticket hustle. AI workflows. This is for the person who likes problem solving. Most small to medium businesses in the UK are drowning in paperwork and admin. They spend hours answering basic customer questions on WhatsApp or manually entering data into Excel. The strategy. You use Zapier or Make.com to build AI agents. For example, you can build a system for a local law firm where an AI reads their incoming emails, categorizes them, checks the lawyer's calendar, and drafts a reply all without a human touching it. A setup like this can be sold for a one-time fee of £3,000 to £5,000. Why? Because you are saving that business the cost of hiring a full-time receptionist. In London, that's a saving of £25k a year for them. Charging £5k for that is a bargain. The reason you're not saving money isn't your lifestyle. It's your system. You are working in a linear way, 1 hour of work for 1 hour of pay. The 3 hustles I showed you today are non-linear. They use AI to multiply your effort. My advice? Don't quit your job tomorrow. Use your 9-to-5 salary to pay your bills, and use your 6-to-1 0 p.m. time to build your AI leverage. Within 6 to 12 months, the goal is for your side hustle to match your salary. That is when you truly become free from the London trap. If you want the full list of tools and the exact prompts I use for these hustles, check the link in the description. Don't just watch this video. Pick one and start today. I'll see you in the next one.